Enjoy preparing the best home-cooked meals with this 90 by 60 high-quality cooker from Super General. Made from stainless steel in a nice brushed inox finish for a modern, timeless design that matches perfectly with every kitchen interior. The cooker features highly efficient burners equipped with flame failure safety device that let you prepare several dishes at the same time. This freestanding gas cooker comes with sturdy and elegant cast iron grids to ensure longevity and durability. Ergonomic knobs and controls are easy to use. The auto ignition feature provides convenience and safety when cooking. Double glass oven door provides heat-resistant surface, making it safe to touch. The removable inner glass door of the oven cavity makes cleaning convenient. The active thermostat reads and regulates the temperature inside the oven, ensuring balanced cooking, while the grill function allows you to sear or grill to perfection. Closed door grilling function allows upper and lower oven cavity burners to operate simultaneously. A spacious cavity and a rotisserie ensure that the meat and poultry are cooked evenly to perfection. The cooker includes a wide shelf, with an oven tray and grid that allows you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. It also has a dish compartment to keep cooker-prepared dish warm. This model can operate on LPG and natural gas. The splash protection glass serves as a lid for the burners when not in use and protects your wall and tiles from splashes when cooking with oil or preparing sauces. Technology, aesthetics, and simplicity has been integrated in this made in Turkey Super General model to bring joy of healthy, homemade meals for the whole family. Enjoy super taste with Super General.